The coronavirus outbreak is quickly spreading across the globe, with many countries confirming its first cases. This is leading to drastic action, including here in Metro Atlanta. Nick Sturidvant is live outside the CDC here in Atlanta. Nick, Cobb County schools are now talking about this. They sent a letter to parents about the virus.
Yeah, that's right, Christine. The letter was sent out basically to address concerns, and it says while the risk remains low in Georgia, the Department of Public Health is prepared for a potential spread. And today, New Zealand's Ministry of Health confirmed its first case of coronavirus, a person in their 60s who returned from Iran. However, they say the chances of an outbreak remains low. Nigeria's Federal Health Ministry also confirmed its first case. Over in Hong Kong, officials say a low level of the virus was found in a dog. But even with these new cases, the International Olympic Committee president said, and quote, it is fully committed to a successful Olympic Games in Tokyo starting July 24th.
I'm Sarah Dolph in Washington, D.C. Members of Congress are being briefed behind closed doors later today on the coronavirus threat. This as the Trump administration continues to push back against criticism that it was slow to act against the threat of the virus. Vice President Mike Pence, now the point person for the country, is pledging the full resources of the federal government, and Congress is working on approving emergency funds to prepare and also rush a vaccine. But Wall Street remains shaky. The Dow having its worst week since the 2008 financial crisis.
This is a story that develops by the hour, and we want to give you facts, not fear. So for the newest information about the coronavirus, text the word virus, V-I-R-U-S, to the number you see on your screen. That's 404-873-9114. And again, text this number, do not call it. And if you text the word virus, you'll receive a link to all of the latest updates. And remember, you can also download the 11 Alive News app for free to get alerts on news in your area.